We come from adventurers. We come from explorers. We come from inventors, scientists, and warriors. We come from scribes and leaders and makers. We come from community. We come from family. The Penn Museum brings our story to light. For 130 years, the Penn Museum has excavated the treasures that tell our story. Now, with the launch of our Building Transformation campaign, we are embarking on perhaps our grandest excavation, revealing the museum itself. Over the next several years, the museum will uncover long-hidden architectural secrets, reinstall thousands of artifacts, and bring the wonders of our own collections into the light and accessible to all as never before. Perhaps the crowning achievement of our renovation will be the reimagining of our Egyptian galleries, where we will, for the first time, be able to erect the entryway and massive columns of the palace of the pharaoh Meremtar at full height. It will be dazzling, unparalleled, the only pharaonic palace you can see anywhere outside of Egypt.
What an extraordinary moment for Penn. This is a majestic fusion of art and engineering. Built for the son of Ramses II, it will be a Philadelphia landmark and a magnet for visitors from across the world.
There isn't anything like it. Scholars around the world come to the University of Pennsylvania Museum to study these pieces. They are very important. Everybody knows about them and everybody includes them in their research.
So what we work on here, it's not the same things that you see in history books. It's the physical remains that people leave behind. So in many ways, it's much more personal than what you get because it's everyday people, the things that they use, their cups, their spoons, and it helps give you a better picture of what everyday life was like.
Whether you're in grade school or graduate studies, coming face to face with artifacts of this magnitude brings history to life, vividly.
My students get to have an experience looking at artifacts and being able to prepare themselves for the museum. And then when they come here, they get to learn how Egyptians make mummies. They get to see the incredible Egyptian galleries that they have here. Reading about something in a textbook is one thing, but to be able to come into a space where the past meets the present, that's a really special experience.
I love the Penn Museum for 3 reasons. It encourages curiosity, promotes learning, and celebrates diversity. Learning from history gives us a deeper understanding of who we are and who the people around us are. Gives us a much stronger culture, a much stronger society, a much more forgiving society. It makes us better people.
Every day, we are discovering, preserving, interpreting, and understanding a little more about where we came from. We want everybody to know we house your story, so this is your home. Join us as we mount an extraordinary expedition that will bring Penn Museum itself and all of its treasures into the light.